We know that at any given time, roughly 3% of the people in your market are looking to buy a car. And dealers have been asking me for years, how do I get more of those car buyers to buy my brand instead of my competitors? Well, we're here to tell you exactly how to conquest effectively in another edition of Easy as DEP.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kick me what sales is easy as DEP.
When the question of conquesting comes up, usually the answer is, let's just put some sort of Google campaign out there, we'll bid on your competitors' keywords, and we'll just throw some money at the problem and hope that it makes a difference. This rarely works, and the reason it's so unsuccessful is that when you wait for a customer to get to Google and search for a car to buy, chances are they've already made up their mind. Conquesting works best when you can get in front of a shopper before they've made their decision. And the best way to do that is through the Amazon advertising network. So let me walk you through how you can use Amazon's ad platform to target car buyers before they choose what make and model they want to buy. First, you need to define your audience. Instead of guessing who might be in market, Amazon identifies shoppers actively researching vehicles, including researching your competitors' vehicles. So for example, if somebody shows they have a 5-year-old Toyota Camry sitting in their Amazon garage and displays car buying behavior, we can deliver ads that show how your Honda Accord compares before that shopper makes a decision. Second, you need to showcase your brand's strengths. You need to build the value in your customers' minds if they're going to be willing to make the switch. Effective conquesting ads don't just promote a vehicle, they address a shopper's decision-making process. So the messaging is tailored to highlight the specific advantages of your model, like better fuel economy, lower cost of ownership, more advanced safety or tech features. This gives the shopper a clear reason to consider your model over the competitors. After you have those first two steps handled, that's where the fun begins, because now you can go out and find your buyers. So via the Amazon Ads Network, you can reach customers on millions of different touch points. You can reach users on all major streaming TV apps, so think Hulu, Paramount Plus, Prime Video. And if that user decides to turn their TV off and pick up their phone or open their laptop, don't worry, you can still engage that shopper across a couple million websites using online video and display ads. Basically, where they go, you go. We've helped countless dealers execute this precision conquesting strategy to great effect, helping them gain market share over their competitors using this simple but extremely powerful advertising strategy. Because smarter conquesting means better results. And with DEP, you don't have to figure this out on your own. As an Amazon Ads verified partner, we have the largest dedicated team in Tier 3 automotive, backed by in-house tools and years of strategy. The shoppers are already looking. You just have to get in front of them with the right message at the right time on the right platform. And DEP plus Amazon advertising equals smart conquesting. You get higher conversions, there's no waste. It's not just incredibly effective, it's also easy as DEP.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kick me what sales is easy as